Bill is a city mouse. The city has many cars, and there are many people. The houses are big. Bill lives inside a rock. Bill loves to eat. Alice is Bill's cousin. She lives on a farm. Alice loves country life. The city mouse and the country mouse. The end. Good.